Good morning, ma'am. I am second year BTech CSC C section student. My name is Elpon 244G5A0516. Today's my topic is number based conversion, binary and octal. Subject name Digital Logic and Computer Organization. These are the outlines of my topic. Introduction to number based conversion. What is binary? What is octal? Why convert between bases? Converting binary to octal. Converting octal to binary. Tools for binary number conversion. Introduction to number base conversion. Number base conversion involves changing a number from one base to another. The most common base used in computing the binary base and octal 8. Understanding these conversion is essential for working on digital and processing. This is the These are the examples of number based binary other number system, binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, decimal and decimal to other number system, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, octal to other number system, octal to binary, binary octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal. What is binary? Binary is a base 2 numerical system that uses only two digits, zeros and ones. Each digit of in a binary number represents a power of 2. Starting from the rightmost digit, the system is a fundamental in computing. It aligns with digital circuits, states on and off. What is octal? Octal is a base of 8 numerical system that uses digits from 0 to 7. Each digit in an octal number system represents of power 8, similar to how decimal represents power of 10. Octal is an often used in computing shortcut and represent binary data is more compact from octal number system. Why convert between bases? Converting between a binary and octal simplifies the representation of binary data. It helps reducing the length of the binary numbers, making the easier read and manage. Understanding these conversion crucial from programming, working with low level data manipulation. Converting binary to octal. To convert binary to octal, group the binary digits into sets of 3 starting from the right. Each group of 3 binary represents corresponding to single octal digit. Convert each binary group its octal equivalent to obtain final octal number. These are the binary numbers. These are the octal numbers. This is the example of binary to octal. Consider binary number 101110. Group the digits give us 101110, which can be padded by 0101110. This converts as 2 from 010 and 6 from 111, resulting in the octal number 26. Converting octal to binary. Converting octal to binary replaces each octal digit with 3-bit binary equivalent. Each digit in octal translates directly to 3-digit binary number. Octal to binary example. For the octal number 26, we can convert each digit in separately. 2 becomes 010, 6 becomes 110. Contacting this gives the binary number 1010. This conversion showcases the direct relationship between the two number based system. Tools for number based conversions. Various online calculators and programming libraries can facilitate number based conversion. Many programming languages have built in functions for converting between binary and octal other bases. Using these tools and can save time and reduces error when performing conversion manually. Conclusion. Understanding number based conversion is vital field of computer science and engineering. Mastering conversion between binary and octal enhances your ability to work with data at a lower level. With practice, converting between these bases becomes a valuable skill. Thank you.